Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to bring to you guys an unboxing of the 5800X 3D. Now I've got the normal 5800 unboxing on this channel as well. If you want to have a look at that, that's up on the top right hand corner for you guys. Now I fund everything on this channel myself, so if you appreciate that, all you have to do is subscribe, like and watch more videos. That supports me a lot, and also a super thanks. Any donation would really help out. Now let's have a look at this box. It's pretty straightforward. The only difference you'll notice between the 5800 and the 5800X 3D is that up here. All right, let's get this opened. Okay guys, that's basically it. Thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do let me know what else would interest you since you're watching this video. What else would interest you in this and what you'd like me to do with this other than testing and having it compared against other stuff. Let me know about those as well. Thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. Take good care. Bye bye.